Boom, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Let's talk about credit repair owners not losing their crap when asking for help. Never be afraid to ask for help, right? This is something we should have learned, or we probably heard it. I don't know about you, but I heard it many times when growing up. Never be afraid to ask questions. There's no dumb questions, only dumb people who don't ask questions, right? All that great stuff. But I was still embarrassed. I was still embarrassed, and many times I skipped asking the question just to not feel dumb. Okay, but don't do that anymore. You're grown up, and it's fine to look dumb when you don't know the answer. If it's going to be a simple question, something that you just simply don't know the answer to, and somebody else is ahead of the game with from you, just go ahead and ask the question. Though setting up your credit repair business or running your own successful business can be super exciting. Many times, there will be roadblocks and things, that you're going to feel exhausted, frustrated, all that good stuff. It can feel lonely too, right? Let's be upfront about this. Let's be clear with it right away. Asking for help can feel like you're spoiling your expert reputation. It can feel like you're the dumb one in the group. All these negative connotations, all these negative feelings about asking questions, right? It's like saying, actually, I don't know everything. That happens many times. It's an ego problem. Okay, hold that front page for a second. You really don't know everything, right? You don't have to. That's a reality of it. It makes sense to learn from others. I mean, I'm sure that you learned about credit repair not too long ago, or maybe sometime now. But as the days go by, you continue to learn new things, new regulations, um, new credit hacks, all this great stuff that credit offers, right? It saves you time just to ask questions. People are faster than books, people are faster than podcasts, people are faster than videos and all that great stuff. Why not ask the question? So, and to heck with it, if it makes them feel like they momentarily know more, things even up. When you ask people and they know the answer, they feel great. Like, just think back to the last time that you had a kid come to you and ask you a question about, I don't know, finances or anything that you love passionately and that you love talking about. How did you feel about it, right? Talking to that person and teaching them something new. It's give and take. And you know what? People love being asked for good reasons too. Learning and communication is the strength behind the strongest networks. That's how you spark a conversation. Hey, I love your shoes. Where did you get them? If you compliment someone about their shoes or something that they made a deliberate decision to do, like, hey, I love your hair. What products do you put? Right? They can come up and tell you all the brands and all that great stuff. You're gonna be lost as hell, but at least you're learning something new, and more importantly, you're learning something about that person, right? You're understanding their psyche. You're understanding where you can add value, right? Oh, I have a sister who that's her too. She knows all about that stuff that you're talking about, and I would love to introduce you to them. And now you just built a network. That's fantastic, right? And that's something you need to be part of. So ask away. On the other hand, if you're repeatedly stumped by something that can be easily outsourced to experts, or Google nowadays, or YouTube, right? Whatever it is, do it. Find the solution before finding the problem, right? Before presenting the problem, all right? That's another way to save time and expand your network. Like, people who are problem solvers are the best in the world. And if you can help somebody solve a problem even faster, they're going to love you for life. The Credit Repair Clients is a strong network. Apply to join somewhere here on one of the links, or join one of our channels, our platforms, and then max out on not just our time saving digital solutions, but also on access it gives you to a rock star team of experts and on appointment setting and all that good stuff. And awesome outsourcing opportunities if you want to scale your credit repair business to the next level. If you have any questions in the meantime, just drop them down below, right? Ask away. Other than that, guys, I'll see you later. Take care. Have a great day. I love you. Let's make it happen. Let's help more people learn about credit and maximize it to the fullest. Have a great day. Bye bye.